Astronomy, sci-news.com. Astronomy, sci-news.com. Pixel4 XL renders reveal big forehead, small chin, camera setup gallery 9 to 5 Google. GhostBizzle on Tifu's FaZe lawsuit and plans after the Fortnite World Cup, Dexerto. Scientists teach AI to spot far-away galaxy clusters, Geek. Waze Data can help predict car crashes and cut response time, Wired. Inventions we use every day that were actually created for space exploration, USA Today. SpaceX's Starship Super Heavy rocket needs a launch pad and work is already starting, Teslarati. Robots, not humans, are the new space explorers, WPRL. Roscosmos confirms plans to 3D print lunar shelters from moon dust. 3D printing industry. Partial lunar eclipse 2019 on July 16–17, to be visible in UAE, Gulf today.